Hey man, you Jason?
Yeah, that's me. What's up?
Got this big freaking box for you.
Oh yeah, no problem. I'll take it. Thanks.
Got a delivery. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Should be a welder. Okay guys and gals. Got this off of Amazon, obviously. Flux core 110 welder. Had really good reviews. The box. Cinder or Cinder, I don't know what brand it is. DC inverter MIG welder. 158 bucks. To my door in 2 days. Wanted it for spot welds. Plus it's small. It only weighs like 10 pounds. So, see what we got here. Put this up here. Garbage. We got a cup. Got a tip. Got a 2-pound roll of wire. I have no idea what size it is. Oh, it's also a stick welder. Got a stick handle. The ground. Seem awful short. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, that's nice. Got a 30 amp adapter cord. A really nice packaging. Look at that. Fancy. Hey, look at this guy. I'm sure you guys are still. Okay. Got it plugged in. Power it up and see what happens. I gotta put the wire in still too. Cool, comes right on. Doing little testies there. I'm gonna shut it off. We'll put the wire in it. Pretty good right now. Just nice little door. This seems to be metal. This is plastic. Anyway, let's get this roll open. Luckily they coated it in plastic so it didn't corrode. Get that off there. So you gotta feed the wire into this little sleeve. And just keep feeding it through manually. I don't know if you can see it coming out of there yet or not. I might have to zoom in a little better. And this is the tricky part because it's always got a little bend in it. You gotta feed it into the roller and it goes into the lining. Just being tricky dicky here. Whoops. It's always got a little curve to it because it's on that spool. Got my trusty 16 penny here. Trying to get that dude lined up. And a liner like that. Try and feed a little bit of it by finger, my hand into there. You flip that down, pop that guy on there. Hopefully the tension's good. Seems to be. Tighten this down. I don't want it too tight because then the spool won't turn. Oh, it actually makes it stop. Okay. So now we're going to turn it on. There we got it on. Grab the trigger. Pull the trigger to feed. See it spinning down there? Ever so slowly. I can get it to go faster here. There we go. Actually, one thing. Probably should take Take this tip loose, get the wire through, then feed it into the okay. Slide this dude over this. Screw it in. Whoops. Screw it in. Put the shield on. And we should be ready to weld. Let's try this baby out. One other thing before I close it up. This is the extra tips, and I think the part numbers to reorder the new stuff. I like to just take this kind of stuff and just kind of tuck it right there. That way you know, always know where it is, and it shouldn't get in the way of anything. Let's try it out. Alright, let's see how she do. I got it about halfway on the voltage and the amperage, or the current. And it's on the 1mm wire, which is like a 34 thousandths or something. Ooh, it's hot. Down a little bit. Some really nice spot welds. The helmet's not darkening for some reason. Burn my eyes up here. Woo. She got some heat to her. Man, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. Yeah, that sucker lays a pretty good bead. If I had something to clean that off. Let me clean it off and see what it looks like. There's a little close-up action going on here. Ooh, burn through it. This thing got some heat to it. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. Wish I had my wire brush out here. That's going to be fine for welding sheet metal. I mean, that is solid. I am really impressed with this thing. And that's like a third of the way up on both ends. And it flat burnt that right in there. Turn it down a little bit more. See if we can get it to burn in real good. That goes on the dirty stuff. Yeah, it's not around the dirty stuff. As far as spot weld metal, this thing is going to be dynamite. Yeah, I like it. For 158 bucks, that's going to be just dandy. I'm going to wire brush and clean that up. Guys, my first time using this thing. I know they're not the greatest welds because it is a flux core, but this thing's gonna be all right. I am really impressed with this thing. Amazon special, $158. I'll try and put a link in the description for you.